Yes, we need to ensure freedom of creativity and freedom in general, because without freedom we won't be able to move forward. But we need to understand that this freedom can, at a certain point, run counter to the objectives we are pursuing. And this conflict emerges when this freedom clashes with the freedom of other people. You represent the media culture as a very good Russian TV channel. If there is an insult against Prophet Muhammad, do you think this is about exercising your freedom of creativity? I don't think so. I think it's an infringement of the freedom of religion. This is also an insult to the sacred feelings of people who profess Islam. Moreover, it brings about even more acute extremist sentiments. You remember those people who went into the office of the newspaper and they simply shot everyone. It was terrible. So freedom has to stem from inside, and it is to involve respect for everyone. You need to think about who your actions can affect. I said today that Russia is a multi-ethnic, multi-religious state, and we have it in our blood to treat the traditions and one another in general with great respect. And this is a very good groundwork that allows Russia to exist as a multinational, multi-ethnic state.